Hello, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening. Okay, right. Okay, in the last session, what we discussed there up to page block, page was section there. Next thing is what? Open your diagram. Hello.
Page section.
Section. After that,
Section items.
item there here, right? You remove this one there here in this. I will go for. I don't want this up to this section item there. You can remove this page block. Page block section. In this item, I'm going to write it here separate. Okay, man. Look at here this apex column page block section item is available here, right? Okay, see for the item you no need to provide any title there. Title option is not available here. It's item there. Okay, you no need to provide the title here. This items you can provide there here. You can see the output here. First, let me go here. The notes, some, for example, I'm going to put here there online training. The Salesforce online training. Here I'm going to provide that. Okay, man. This is one section item. Copy this. You can take the one more section item here. So two section items I'm going to provide this. The matter I'm going to change it. Page tables. What is there? Everyone following or not? Hello.
Following.
Yeah, this section item one, section item. We can see how you are getting the output there. Save it. And go to the preview there here. We have like this. Is entirely page. Okay, the page contains the page block contains this page block section contains one item, it is another item there. But I want some difference between one item and another item. How to make the difference there here? Look at that. After this section item, I will make some break statement there. Provide the break. Better. You can understand easily. Save it. See that? Save it. The page can be loaded and automatically it can be refreshed there. So this. See, can you find the slide line? Are you going to find it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is one section item. It is another section item. We are going to get here this. Like that, you can make any number of things. You can make it, right? It is only, for example, I'm giving it here. Right? You can make here for the page was section. Okay, section item. Not only this, copy this entire, not here from the page block, not the page. Paste. Sorry, something is missing this. And after that, page block. Paste here this number of page blocks. See how we're going to get that output. See that? Look at me like this. Number of page blocks I can write for a page. Okay, man. You do one thing there. Can you find left side here? Are you going to find something? It is a sidebar. Can you find it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sidebar. I don't want here. This first. I don't want the sidebar there. You can remove the sidebar there. Come to the page. First, provide the page title there here. First page title is there. First, the page title will be. Okay, what's the title there? My page. That is page block. Something we can write it. This title is your wish. See that how the page title you are going to get it is on the top. my page block. Are you getting the title here or not? Okay, here it is the title there. Next is I don't want the sidebar left side. If you don't want the sidebar means come down, go to the page here. This I'm making take the sidebar here. You can see press side as sidebar. I'm going to make it as a false there here. Save it. The sidebar is going to remove there here. First, here it is there, and the sidebar is no sidebar left side. Are you following me or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, not only that. Can you find the top here?
Yes, sir.
It is a header part. I don't want the header part also there. It is a sidebar and it is header part. Header part I want to remove there. You can say show header. Show header. That's also I'm going to make it as false. Save it. Look at that. Are you getting the page? It is your original page. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting.
Getting.
Sir.
So, like
Yes,
this,
sir.
we can prepare the page. Try to prepare this entire page and have to practice on that better. Next thing is there, man, in this, what are we going to see this? I'm going to use some input tags there here. Some input tags I'm going to use it here. Okay. What are the input tags? Usually are going to use there in Salesforce. Means we need to go for these input tags. There are a number of input tags are there here. Input tags means some data that you want to fill, the data you want to send it to, some data you want to fill, the data that you want to send it to, you want to send it to some Salesforce, you want to send it to the Salesforce there. Some inputs are needed there here. So I'm going to use the tags like the different types of tags are there. Types of tags are there. Tags are there here. What are the types of tags are available in the Visualforce page there? First is the input tags. Okay. Second is output tags. Okay. Next is select tags. Okay. And after that, next is we can say font tags. Okay. Next, we have the page tags. All the page tags you have seen already. These all will come under the page tags there. What we discussed. All will come under the page tags there, right? Next, we can go with the action tags. We can use action tags. We can use style tags there. Are you getting some other tags also there here? Okay. Style tags as a part of this we can see, not only this. Are you getting? Like this, we are going to use the tags there in Visualforce page. Okay. What are the input tags are there? Suppose, say generally, for the tags, we are going to use the opening tag and closing tag. Right? See that? It is a closing tag and it is a opening tag. But I'm not writing the closing tag there, just I'm writing only opening tag. If you want, you can write it. Okay, opening tags I'm writing there. Like in this input tags, we have apex colon. I'm going to write here input checkbox. I'm going to write here this. This is one of the tags. Means to create the checkboxes there. Next thing is input field. I'm going to use another tag there here. Means what are the input, what are the fields are there already in Salesforce? Those fields from the Salesforce we are getting onto our Visualforce page there. For that, I'm going to use it here. I can go with the input file. I can say that. Okay, input file. I'm going to use it here again. For the purpose of that input file, that you want to upload the file there, we can use it here. That you want to hide any text. Okay, I'm going to write here this input hidden. I'm going to use it here this. apex colon. I'm going to use it here. For the password setup that you want to do it here is I can go the input secret. I'm going to use it here. See, we cannot assure that every tag we are going to use it now. It is based on the requirement we are going to use it, right? And we can go with another tag. Okay, input a text. Names you want to enter there, your names. For that we can go with the input text. Address that you want to enter here is in text area. I'm going to use it here. You can write the closing tag name, right? These are the sum of tags which are belongs to the inputs. Some output tags also there here is. Okay, you can go with this. For example, apex colon output field. That's another one tag there here. Apex colon some output label. Labels you want to enter there. Okay. Links. When you click on the link, it has to navigate to some other place, right? There I can say output link. I'm going to use it here. Apex colon panels you want to create here. This output panel. I'm going to use it here. Next apex colon. Yeah, this is enough there. Output tags. Let me come to the select tags there here. What the select tags there? Suppose here for single checkbox creation, I can use this input checkbox there here. But if you want to create the multiple checkboxes at a time, I can go with the apex colon. Okay, select. Okay, right. Select checkboxes. I'm going to use it here. Checkboxes. I can use it here. Okay, and the pick list that you want to create here. This means you know how to create the pick list, but programmatically through this Visualforce you want to create the pick list. I can go with the apex colon. Select a list is the tag I'm going to use here. Inside the pick list, generally we are going to use some values we are going to use there, right? So to select that value, I'm going to use it here apex colon. Select the option, we are going to use it here. Select option to select that value here. You want to create a radio buttons there. You can go with apex colon. Select radio is the tag I'm going to use it here. Apex man. Spelling mistake is there. Please take it here. Next, what we have there? Yeah, up to this, these are the select tags we can use it here. Some other tags, the form tag. See, if you come to the form tag man, only one tag is available here. Why we need to use the form? Apex colon form is the tag I'm going to use it here. See, if you want to provide any input tags like this, can you find these tags? Input tags that you want to provide. You should write inside this form tag. Form tag opening tag is there, and the closing tag is there generally. Okay, you can say that apex colon form. Okay, between these two tags only, we have to write these input tags here. If not, it is going to throw the error. Why? For example, if you go to the bookstall and if you ask biodata form, okay, we are going to provide inputs in that biodata form there. It's a form, right? Like this, it is a form. In this form, you are going to write the inputs. Okay, for that we need to use it here. Okay, man. That's the thing there here. Everyone is getting what I'm saying or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? And the page tags already we have seen here. This like the apex colon page, apex colon page block, and apex colon page block section, and apex colon page block section item. I'm going to use it here there. Okay, like this we are going to use the page tags also. We are going to use it here. Okay, action tags are there here. First apex colon action function. Okay, apex colon action support. What is the purpose of the action support generally? See, if you want to get such type of functionality there. On change the events change. Look at here. I have the select list, it is a select list. If I click on this my accounts, see that it's going to refresh that page, and it is going to give that values belongs to my accounts there. I'm going to change it to all accounts. See that it is refreshing, it is going to give the all accounts related records there. Means on changing the value there. If you want to do on changing the values there, I can go with the action support. After that, I can go with the action folder. Right? Action folder, I can provide here this. What's the action folders? Action folder means here. See, in the railway station, you might have seen the digital clocks. Means incrementing the value. Okay, 10, 11, 15, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that values are going to increase. If you want to do such type of programming there, we can go with the action folders. Like this, you have action tags are there here. Other tags means here, man. Other tags means here, many tags are there here in this. That you want to go with the other tags here, this, like, you can say, apex column tag. Inside the table, generally some table tags are available here. This first, okay. We'll take the table. You can say table tags are there here. This to display the records. I'm going to the table tags. Table tags are, we can say, apex column page block table. Means it will create the table like this. It is the table there here. Can you find it? It is a table. It's a page block table, but it is a standard table given by the Salesforce. Like this, also we can create our own table here, right? And in this, some variant is there. One variant is there. Apex column data table. Again, in this, another variant is there. Another type is there here. Data list. These are all other tables. So, tables. All the main purpose of these tables are to display the list of records there. Okay, man. Other tags are there here. Inside this table, usually you are going to create the columns there. To create the column, I can use this tag. Open tag and close tags unit is there here. Okay. See, if you want to create the tabs like this, it is this tab. It is another tab. It is another tab. Like this tabs you want to create. I can create the first tab panel. I don't use tab panel. I'm going to use it here. This tab panel there. Tab panel means this rectangular box is nothing but the tab panel. Create like this. I can go with the tab panel. Inside these tabs, I want to create here this. I can go with the apex column tab. I'm going to use it here. Okay. Suppose if you want to create the panel grids there. Okay, we used to create a panels there actually here. Okay, panel you can create like this. Panels there. Okay, not panels. The panel grid formats I want to create. It's apex column. Okay, I'm going to use it here. This panel grid. I'm going to use it here. Okay, and not only panel grid. Okay, there we need to go for the create in the panel group also there. Panel group that you want to create there, you can use this one. Apex column. See, panel group kind of panel bars also you can create here. This panel bar also you can create here. Okay, and not only that, many here is. If you want to see, I have some page blocks are there. We have the one page block. Look at here this. In this program, we can see we have one page block here. This from this page block to this page block, another page block. I want to pass some data there. How can you pass it in the data there? I can use here this param apex column param. Means to pass the parameters, we are going to use it here. Next, we are going to use the apex column. See. I want accounts are having the many child records there. Means repeated values I want to get here. I want to display the one parent record can have the number of child records. The parent to child number of records I want to repeat it here. There I can go with the repeat tag. I can use it here. Okay. Not only that here, some on the Visualforce page that you want to display some error message there. So we can go with the message tags. I can use it here. Okay, next apex column something. Okay, what we can say that toolbar I want to create this. Okay, see that toolbar. Okay, toolbar I'm going to use it here. This are you getting toolbar also we can create some toolbar we can create there. Toolbar group also there, that also we can use it like this. Many tags are there here this. Okay, but some of the tags depends upon our requirement. We can go for creating those things there. For example, we'll create a small page there with the biodata related things like this. Okay, go to the file, new Visualforce page. For example, some biodata with a few number of fields there. Okay, I'm going to create a page like this. The title will be, I can say the title here. Title will be some person information there. You can say like person core information like this. And inside this, I'm going to use it here this form tag. If you are not going to give the form tag, it is going to throw the error there. Okay. Okay, inside this, what I'm going to write here is write down the page block. You can see page block title will be, for the title you can provide it here. Don't type entire tag. That's a big mistake, right? Just select it here. This page block title will be what? Like biodata form or something there here. Okay. Next we can say apex colon. Inside this page block, I'm going to provide some output label there. Output label. Label will be, can say label contains what? Enter last name. Okay, man. Enter last name. That save it. Go to the preview. See that last name we are going to get like this. Okay. For this last name, I'm going to provide some input also there. Apex colon input text. See that's a tag I'm going to write here. And for this input text sizes, you can provide there. Maximum length will be for my first name, for my last name, I'm going to provide here. For the maximum length, 10 characters I'm going to provide there. Okay. The same thing you can give it for the first name also there. Copy it and save it. Okay. That is first name, last name, and the first name here is. The maximum length I can provide here is like only 6 characters I can provide there. First name, right? Max length, that's the max. It's an attribute man actually. Max length means how many characters we can enter there. Save it. You can see the output here is. Okay, last name I can provide here this. Like this I can provide that. Up to that one I can enter there. Though I enter, cannot enter the value there. Here max 6 values I can enter there. Okay, but it is not in a proper way. So what we need to provide after this, I need to provide a single break. I need to provide the break here. This. Okay, here. Now save it. Last name, first name. Next is I'm going to provide here this some password type. I'm going to enter there. Apex colon output label. Label will be what means? What we're going to provide the label. Suppose password. Okay. For the password, I can take it here. This apex colon input secret I can provide there. The password also you can put the maximum length of 8 characters there here. Okay, there you can copy the break and you can paste the break here. Save it. Last name, first name, and the password. Okay, man. Next thing is there, man. I'm going to enter here one more there. Apex colon output label will be something there. Label will be address. I'm going to enter the address there. For the address, I'm going to take the one more tag. Apex colon some input text area there. Address how many lines you want here? Rows. You can select the rows. Rows will be 3 lines and of door number, street name, and area something there. Okay. For that also I need to provide the break. Okay. Provide save it. Go to the output. Alt tab. Click on the Alt tab. Right. Okay. First name. Okay. The last name. Again. First name. The last name. Something password is this. Address is something Hyderabad. Right. I'm going to provide like this. One more. I'm going to write here this apex colon. You can provide here this apex colon checkbox. Input checkbox. I'm going to provide it here. Input checkbox. Okay. Input checkbox I'm going to provide. Before the checkbox label you need to provide it, right? Apex colon output label there. Output label will be I'm going to use it here. Label is gender. Gender input checkbox we are going to take it here. The checkbox is checked male, unchecked female. Okay, we can take like this here. There also you can provide a small biodata from there. You can go with this. So that the checkbox is male, checked male, unchecked female. There. Like this, you can take it here. Okay, like this, some of the fields we are going to take it now. Okay, but the output is not in a proper way. If we create this input tags inside the biodata there here, inside the page block there here. Okay, we have written inside the page block there. Remove this. See, I'm going to write this entire program there here. I'm going to take the entire program. I'm going to paste in the notepad here. Okay, look at that. I'm taking here, not in the page block there. Inside the page block, I'm going to remove this entire there. Inside the page block, I'm going to insert here apex colon page block section. Section will be the title. I'm going to provide here is okay. Personal information is the title I'm going to provide there. Inside this, I'm going to provide one by one. First is this one. Okay. This much we are going to provide here this. Copy it and provide here there. Look at that. Look at this. Page block, page block, place with section, something I'm going to write here this. Save it. Go to the output. Get the output there. Page block, place with section, I'm going to provide here this. Okay, man. Okay, last time like this, we are going to get here this. In the same manner, I'm going to take here also there. Copy it. Go to the program. After this, see the entire thing you can provide here. Don't worry there. You can copy this entire this one up to and you can paste it here. This not a problem there. Paste it here. Okay. So inside the page block section, I'm going to write here this all these things there. Inside the page block section there. Okay, save it. For the output, but they are not in the proper way, right? Let me go for utilizing in another way. What is that? It is inside the page block section there, right? You can go for the example 1. Okay, 1A, right? Paste it here. This. Let me go for writing the same thing inside the section item. Okay, section item there here. Remove this. Apex colon page block section item. Under this item, two values we are going to provide there. After this, copy it. I can paste inside this like this. Okay, man. Save it. You can see how the output you are getting there. So one item there. Okay. Page block, page bus section, it contains some item there here. Okay, you do one thing there. After this section, you can provide the break there here. Okay, it is better there here. Create one more section item there here after that. Apex colon, page, block, section, item. I'm going to use it here. Go to the notepad and take these two, copy and paste it here. Okay, man. Okay, look at that. First name and last name. Okay. It is one page block section item, break. It is another page block section item, break. Save it. Are you getting the last name and the first name in a proper way? We are going to get it here. Now we can go with the one more. Create here this apex colon, page, block, section, item. There we can go with that item there. Okay, man. We are getting any dots here, just we can move it here to get some kind of information. Okay, what's the next thing? I'm going to use it here password. Save it. Okay. But break is not provided here. That's why we are getting this. Provide the break. Now you can save it and go to the output here. Okay, first name, last name, first name, password. Like this, you can use it. You can create one more apex colon, page, block, section, item, and use it here. For the section item, again, we are going to take it here. Take this. Take the break. So, are you following me or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So we will take it here. This. Look at that. First name, last name, okay, address, and we can go with that. One more section that I'm going to put here. This apex colon, page, block, section, item there here. What you can see. Go to the notepad. Take a label. You can find this. See, now we need to go. We need to provide here this break today after this section. Close. Okay. Go to the output here. This. Look at me. Like this, I'm going to get here this. Sir, our form is ready, but I want to create one button here. This. Yes, we can use the button here. This. Buttons tags are not provided. I think there. You need to go for the button tags also. We are going to provide there. Button tags are what? Apex colon. Apex colon. You can say the button tags apex colon. Page, block, buttons. Okay, page block buttons. We can use it here. Page block button is the one tag there here. Okay, in this page block buttons, we can inside this page block buttons there. We can write here some command button there. Command button, we are going to use it here. This command button. It is a parent tag. It is a child tag there. Inside the page block buttons, we can write the command button there here. It means to perform some action there. Actions that you want to provide there, we can use this tags there here. Okay. Suppose my page contains some output here. This. Okay. I should be able to enter here this Kishore. Okay. Some Babu. Password something there here. Address is some Hyderabad. And I'm gender male. Something I'm going to enter there. And I should be able to click on here. But I can create the button here, man. But action purpose not now here. So we have sometime discuss that action there because okay, you are going to create your own button there here that should contain some functionality also there. So let me go for creating one button here. Okay, inside this page block, not inside the section. Inside this page block, I'm going to use it here some page block buttons. Page block contains page block buttons. One more time. Page block contains page block buttons. Inside this button, I can write the command button. Okay, make sure whether the form tag is there or not. If the form tag is not there, you cannot execute those things there. Right? You are going to get the error. I'm coming to the page block. There, apex colon page block buttons. I'm going to create this. Inside the page block buttons, I can use it here apex colon some command button. The value is some value, but we are going to see that value will be, for example, save or click me, anything there. Click me, okay, and the action will be, you can say that see the command button attribute value is the one attribute there. What we are going to see on the page, and the action will be okay apex page dot action there means action will be implemented on the apex pages. Okay, that action we have to provide generally there, but my action I'm going to provide there any action here like the https colon okay double forward slash www dot okay youtube.com like this. I'm going to provide there here means whenever I click on this button I should connect with this page. Usually whenever you click on the button this information you have to save, but to save it to some functionality we have to write the logics, you have to write there, not now, later. But for a dummy access I'm going to show it here. When you click on this button it is going to connect it to the YouTube there here. Let's click on the save. Can you find it or not? Click me. Hello, are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But by default it is showing the two buttons, man. No, I don't want the two buttons there. I want only one button here. How can you create that only button? By default, for the page block buttons, if you are not mentioning specific button, so it's going to default, it's going to show you the two buttons. No, I don't want the two buttons. I want to change it single button for the top. We are going to see the top and bottom. Only top button I want here this. You can see. Okay. See, if I enter some value there, if you click on the save, see that if you click on this button, you can connect with the YouTube there. So you are going to have the connection with the means you are going to connect to the YouTube there here. That's the meaning of it. Okay. Hello. Are you following me, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir, following.
So, following.
Now you do practice on this carefully. Okay. నేను ఎలా రాస్తున్నా tags అలాగే రాయాలి slant direction. I'm typing this tags okay in a slant direction. You know to type especially there. If you click on the enter button there automatically the tags will come. But don't take these tags like this. చివరి వరకు తీసుకెళ్ళిపోవాలి అట్లా. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
ఏ సార్లు వర్క్ అయిపోయింది రేపు చెప్పుకుందాం మిగిలింది. లేటర్ ఎంట్రీ మొత్తం ఈమెయిల్ ఐడీస్ పెట్టండి నాకు. లేటర్ ఎంట్రీ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు మాత్రం ఈమెయిల్ ఐడీస్ పెట్టండి. స్పీడ్ అప్. Those who are there letter entry they should mention email, they should send the email ID, and from tomorrow onwards the letter entry people can attend for 7 PM session. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
7 to 8 PM there. Okay, just up to 10 days enough. Okay, 10 days 7 PM to 8 PM. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, ఇక్కడ వీడియోస్ రాలేదు సార్ మా మెయిల్కి.
నేను అదే చెప్తానండి, ఇప్పుడు పంపిస్తాను, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడీస్ తీసుకుంటాను.
ఓకే సార్, అది నెక్స్ట్ లింక్ 7 PM పంపిస్తారు సార్.
7 PM లింక్ సేమ్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది. 7 PM 8కి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. 8 PM వేరే లింక్ ఉంటుంది. 7 to 8, 9 to 10 ఒకే లింక్ ఉంటుంది.
లింక్ లేదు సార్.
ఓకే, వేరే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అటెండ్ అవ్వకూడదు. ఓన్లీ లేటర్ ఎంట్రీ పీపుల్ షుడ్ అటెండ్ దట్ సెషన్, రైట్?
సార్ లింక్ లేదు సార్ దానికి, నా దగ్గర ఉంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఎలా జాయిన్ అయ్యారు మరి? ఓహో,
9
I'm sorry. I will send it here. I will paste that link there. Okay.
సార్. ఓకే సార్.
నలుగురు రోజు పంపించారేమి ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి? 1 2 3 4, ఓన్లీ 4. సెండ్ మ్యాన్. ఇక్కడ వరకు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈరోజు, ఇక్కడ నుంచి కదా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి. ఓకే, టేక్ దట్ నోట్స్ ఫస్ట్. Notes cannot see, not now. Notes will be shared later there. I'm sharing in the Shamal, I'm sharing in the chat box. You have to take it carefully first, right?
Okay.
Okay, but later I will share that notes, everything I'm going to share. Take that notes from the chat box. Don't try to attend from the mobile, man. It is better to attend from laptop or a desktop. If you have possibility, please attend from the desktop or the laptop there. If you don't have any possibility there, and then only you know to attend from the mobile. Okay, slowly subject like enter avutunnamu. Everyone should everyone should catch it, right? Jagrathaga practice cheyanu. But tomorrow everyone have to practice this one there. Don't neglect.
Coding sequence.
Cheppandi. Someone is say something. Take that notes. Let me take the email session. Sorry. ఇంకొక ఇద్దరు మిస్ అయినట్టారు బా, ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు. వాళ్ళు వస్తారు చూద్దాం.
సార్ రికార్డింగ్ ఆల్సో అది ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్.
ఇప్పుడే చెప్పానంటే షేర్ చేస్తున్నానని. పంపిస్తాను. I'll share it. 5%. 1 2 3 4 5. ఇంతేనా? ఎవరు అడిగింది? ఎవరు? డేవిడా? ఎవరు అడిగింది ఇప్పుడు? వంశీనా డేవిడా అడిగింది? ఎవరు?
నేను అడిగినా సార్. రికార్డింగ్ సెక్షన్స్ నేను అడిగినా సార్.
ఇప్పుడు అడిగింది మీరేనా?
నేనే సార్.
ఏది మెయిల్ అడిగేది? ఇచ్చారా?
ఇచ్చినాను సార్ నేను.
ఎక్కడ?
నేను ముందే ఇచ్చినాను సార్.
ఓహో, మరి ఇచ్చేలో వంశీ, మరి పంపించమని చెప్పి ఇప్పుడే.
ఓకే సార్,
పంపించండి. ఇక్కడ భాస్కర్ వచ్చాడా? భాస్కర్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్? మార్నింగ్ నన్ను కలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు? దీపక్. ఎవరు? దీపక్? someone is met me in the institute.
No sir.
మీరే కదా?
నేను కదా సార్.
భార్గవ్.
భార్గవ్. ఏంది ఈమెయిల్ అనేది? భార్గవ్. రైట్, గుడ్ గుడ్ గుడ్.
పంపాను సార్.
ఓకే రైట్ రైట్. ఇది వంశీ పంపించావా? ఓకే, రేపు మీ అందరికి మొబైల్ కి ఈమెయిల్ కి లింక్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఆ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేసి మీరు 7 PM జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, యూ ఫీల్ హ్యాపీ. కానీ మీరు ఆ 7 PM బ్యాచ్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఏం చేయొద్దు, ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ మొత్తం డెవలప్మెంట్ మీద పెట్టండి. జస్ట్ జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి, సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే,
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇది వంశీ ఎక్కడ? వంశీ ఉన్నారా లేదా?
నాది మీ దగ్గర ఉంది.
చెప్పు, టైప్ చేస్తుంది చెప్పు ఒకసారి.
మాది ఉంది సార్ మీ దగ్గర.
అమ్మా
ఉంది సార్ మీ దగ్గర నాది. ఆల్రెడీ నేను లేట్ జాయినింగ్ కాదు సార్.
కాదా?
కాదు సార్.
రైట్, లీవ్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. ఓకే గైస్, ప్లీజ్ సీ. ఎవరు పెండింగ్ మాత్రం పెట్టొద్దు ఇట్లా, రేపటికి పెండింగ్ పెట్టుకోవద్దు, పెరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది రోజు రోజుకి. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ డూ దట్ వన్ దేర్.